Hey everyone, my name is Matt Rayner. I am a full stack web developer specializing in Django, DRF, React, TypeScript, and Tailwind, plus Bootstrap and Crispy Forms. A lot of my earlier projects have been made with Django and the Django templating system. Today I wanted to do a project highlight, part of my project highlight series on my portfolio page, MatthewRayner.com. It also doubles as an e-commerce store and a blog where I do my inspirational writing. I wanted to go over a search functionality that I added today, and also kind of just show you the website. Hey guys, so here is my website. As you can see here from the nav bar, there's my story. I'm also I'm a quadriplegic. I used to be a commercial fisherman. I broke my neck a few years ago, and since then I have recreated my life through writing and programming. Programming has kind of empowered me to be able to create again and build things. I used to build things all the time with my hands, and then I lost that when I broke my neck. I also try to help others with my motivational work, help them overcome, whatever they're going through, anxiety, depression, addiction. And, I have a TikTok, an Instagram, obviously a GitHub, and a Substack, which is really cool. It's got all of my writings there. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys, this is my website. It's got, here's the blog section. It's got kind of like, my project highlights that I wanted to tell you guys about, and then my stories. Here's my portfolio section for programming. I am looking for contract work. This is my most recent programming project. It was really cool. I made like a AI viral face swapping app with the Django, React, and TypeScript and Tailwind. And then I have my press section, which has all of the times I've been in the media and press. I used to do a lot of art shows. I used to do drone photography, and before that I did nautical photography when I was a fisherman. There's a rudimentary contact page here. Oh yeah, here's the store. I don't, I could sell my artwork here, but I just don't, you know what I mean? I'm really focusing on becoming a programmer. So, you could buy the book here if you want to do. I have a Stripe integration, and you can also log into the website. I'm logged in right now, but it's got Google SSO, which is pretty cool. But yeah, there's a cart and, all that stuff. But really today I wanted to do a highlight on the search functionality I just added. All right, so what exactly did I create today? I built an advanced search system that goes well beyond the basic Django search features. We're talking Postgres full text search with cross-content intelligence. It searches across my different apps inside my app. So it searches through my blog app, my portfolio app, and my store app, then ranks everything by relevance with visual highlighting, which I think is really cool. So basically, I created an app called Search inside of my app, and inside of that app, the views file acts as the unified search orchestrator, which queries all of the content types and ranks the results. After that, I created a utilities file, which has a search highlighter class. This is where the intelligent term highlighting comes from. Basically, search terms get highlighted and bolded on the result page. And then we created the result template, which lives in the template directory, obviously. This lists our search results in a clean, professional way. We also had to update our base template to connect to the existing nav bar to get our advanced search functionality to work. And of course, we added CSS enhancements. For this particular Django project, I used SASS. So I had to recompile the SASS file into CSS. Now let's talk about the smart features. First up, Postgres full text search. This lives in the different model files across my application. So it lives in the blog, it lives in the store. My portfolio is set up a little bit different. I had to get really creative in the search views to make that work, but we don't really need to get into that. It uses SearchVector queries with built-in stemming, so it can match related word forms, making search much more intelligent than basic text matching. So it can also kind of match like run to running, but that's not really what we got into. Next is the intelligent ranking system, which lives in our search views file. Results appear in order of importance with weighted scoring. Basically, title beats description, which beats content. And then there is the visual highlighting we touched on earlier. This lives in the utilities file using our search highlighter class. So search terms appear bold and highlighted using an HTML mark tag. And now onto performance of our Postgres full text search. To optimize search time, we used GIN database indexes, which live in the model files across the different application. These are special Postgres indexes that give us microsecond search speeds instead of the basic Django slow table scans. And that pretty much sums up my day. And yeah. If you guys enjoy this content, please like it, please share it. And I'm also looking to create software for businesses. I absolutely love programming. It's my life, and I will create you a beautiful piece of software. And also, I'm looking for employment. And yeah, contact me. You can do it. It's on my page.